Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now, let's talk about how to create Facebook posts that effectively promote Amazon affiliate products. So, this is where the magic happens, and it's all about creating posts that not only showcase the product but also connect with your audience. So, let's dive into the process. So, the first thing you need to do here is first, you need to have your Linktree account. So, a great post start with a captivating hook. So, you want to grab your audience attention immediately. So, as you can see here, to make sure your post is seen by more people, you need to optimize your Facebook algorithm. And what you need to do here next is you need to have your Linktree account, guys. Make sure that you'll be able to see this website. So as you can see here, they have their free plan, which is for your personal Linktree. Is it free? So the key feature here is only unlimited links. And in the starter, guys, it is for growing influencers, which is it is $4 per month, and everything is free plus upgraded style options, monetization support with affiliate marketing tools, and then scheduling and then audience insight. Here on the other side is this one. So it is free for 30 days, the pro plan. So everything in starter plus advanced customization of buttons, themes, and fonts. Click, and then they have their multiple admins. And then here in the everything in pro plus is it is dedicated customer success manager with one-on-one onboarding and analytics. Export lifetime data here. So here, guys, let's try to understand the Facebook valued user experience. So of course, avoid spammy links and always disclose your affiliate relationship. Not only is it ethical, but it also requires by the platform. So here, guys, as you can see here, always test different ad creatives and monitor performance. Start small with your budget and scale up as you see results. So here, you'll be able to see here this one. So now, guys, I'll teach you how to add a product from the Amazon. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is you can create your image here on your Linktree. So you can upload on your own or design it with a Canva. So here, always disclose, guys, when you are posting something, you need to always disclose affiliate programs, like you can use hashtags. So in 2024, guys, Facebook continues to focus on authentic and engaging content. That means no spammy links or salesy posts. So when promoting your Amazon products, focus on solving products or adding value to your audience life. So the pro tip here is make sure your Amazon products comply with Facebook's ad, so to avoid your posts being flagged or banned. So create your account here, guys. So save time with this top kitchen gadgets. So that's an example, guys. So here you can also see here, this is the caption that I'll be using. So check the product link here, and then let's paste the Linktree link that we copied a while ago here. So as you know that using Linktree keep things organized, makes it easier for your audience to find what they need and helps you avoid overwhelming them with multiple links. So as you can see here, and here, guys, on this part is we are now on this part where we will be able to find a product on the Amazon and then upload it on our Linktree. So let's try to find a product here, and then once you found your product, let's try to tap on that one. So for example, to that is here the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So promoting affiliate products directly in Facebook can be super effective when done right. So here, guys, so you can see here, you'll be able to see here when you tap on that get link button, you can decide if you want a short link or a full link. So we all know that people scroll quickly, so visual needs to stand out. Bright colors, clear product image, and short text word wonders. So here you just need to tap on the add button and of course paste the link that you've copied a while ago here. And going back to your Amazon, you just need to copy the title of the product there. So as you can see here, I am now copying the product here. So after that one is we are going to focus on your caption. And for example, to that one is we can use a phrase like struggling to stay organized, or you'll never believe how much easier your schoolworks can be with this Amazon Find. So once you've got their attention, you want to share your personal experience. You can also talk about how the product solved a problem or made your life easier. For example, to that one is I used to spend 20 minutes untangling my headphones until I found this wireless charging case on Amazon. So finally, wrap up with a clear call to action. So you want to encourage your audience to click and explore the product. For example, to that one is as what I did a while ago. For example, that is check it out here or click the link in my bio to see this and other great Amazon finds. So now, let's talk about the visuals. So people scroll through their feed fast, so your visuals need to stand out. So you can use clear, high quality product images provided by the Amazon. So if you can take custom images of the product in use, if you're promoting a kitchen gadget, for example, take a picture of a video it by using in your kitchen. And here's a pro tip, guys. You can add text overlays to your images or videos to make the product even more eye-catching. To make sure your post is seen by more people, you need to optimize for Facebook algorithm. So if you're posting in a niche group or mentioning a brand, tag them in your post. These can help get more visibility. And also don't forget to use hashtag, guys, to increase discoverability. For example, so that one is hashtag life hacks, hashtag Amazon finds, hashtag affiliate marketing. So lastly, guys, encourage engagement with your audience. You can ask questions that prompt them to comment to your post. For example, so that one is have you tried anything like this before? Let me know in the comments. And let's talk about Facebook stories and reels. So you can also make a stories or reels, share shorts, clip or photos of the product in action, and use Facebook interactive features like polls or question stickers. So of course, guys, be authentic, time your post well, and test different formats. So by being authentic, guys, and focusing on providing value, your products will stand out as a genuine recommendations instead of just another. So if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to this video. And thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!